Hello, I'm Glenn Burkett. I'm the Fox 4 TV health and wellness expert. So I have a brochure for you to help you be more knowledgeable of how to have good health. So if you have issues with your health and wellness, I'm the guy for you to talk to. Use my knowledge, my products, and you will see for yourself from the results, and that's how I'll gain your trust. What you're going to see on the TV now is the brochure where you will be asked questions regarding Candida symptoms, hypoglycemia symptoms, and hypothyroid symptoms. So in the Candida, what happens there is from your use of antibiotics and or steroids any time in your life. And understand you get it through a prescription, and you can also get the antibiotics through the food supply. So these are the symptoms of Candida. Anytime you have a sinus problem, the Mayo Clinic says it is a fungi. So that's Candida. The same way it would be on a CPAP machine. You have a sinus fungal problem. So the silver, which is my silver sinus spray, takes care of that problem, and you start breathing normally by clearing the passageway, so you won't need a CPAP machine, you won't be snoring, and it helps you not have the postnasal drip and the congestion that's coming from your sinuses. So understand that your sinuses can cause headaches, it can cause pressure on your eustachian tube, affecting your balance, and it can also cause you to have jaw pain. So understand we can help you with your sinuses. If you have a white coating on your tongue, that is also Candida, and that's why you crave sugars and starches. You also need to keep your toothbrush in hydrogen peroxide between brushes. And what you'll have is the silver, and mine is 1400 ppm. Most silvers you see at the health food store is going to be 10 to 30 ppm. Mine is 1400 ppm. Their product will be clear like water, so you're mainly buying water. Mine is brown because of the density of the silver. Okay, so silver is not a silver color, silver is brown. So that's why you'll see what's going on here. You also see on the screen now where I helped a gentleman who had staph infection, MRSA, in his knee. He had been on 2 rounds of antibiotics and still had the infection you're seeing now in his knee. So the nurse practitioner started using the silver way that I instructed her to, by putting the silver into the wound and also drinking the silver, and now you can see the outcome in a very short time of a month, whereas this young man maybe could have lost his leg or his knee or his life. Understand when you have an infection like that, it's in your bloodstream, so you can become sepsis. So learn the power of silver. I haven't had a doctor prescribe antibiotic in over 30 years. So the same can happen for you. Learn how to use silver. So silver is also going to help you with the Candida in your intestines that's causing bloating, acid reflux, heartburn, abdominal pain, IBS. I also have reverse Crohn's by using the silver, and also bladder infections. Now you can douche with the silver, you can enema with the silver. The silver was used as an enema back in the Civil War when so many soldiers were dying of dysentery compared to dying of bullets. Saved a lot of lives by those doctors having enough sense to use silver in an enema. Okay, you can also understand that Candida causes memory loss, causes you to feel tired, mood swings, depression, and also is the cause of diabetes, in my opinion. Now, you can have silver in a spray, spray it in the mouth. I know a doctor who sent his, he's a pediatrician, sent his patients to me to get the silver, and the mom uses the silver in her 5 children, and they don't get sick. And if they do, it's for a short period of time. And they are exposed to a lot of germs at school. This is the silver eye drops. So if you have dry eyes, this is what you want to put into your eyes to help your tear ducts produce this tears again, because your tears have nutrients and oxygen. When you're just moisturizing your eyes, you don't have oxygen and nutrients in that bottle of eye wash that you're doing. The silver kills off the blockage in your tear ducts, allowing you to no longer have dry eyes. The other thing you want to do is do a probiotic, a non-dairy formula. Non-dairy, not refrigerated. And also you have to talk to people who know how to tell you how to take the probiotic. Most places you buy probiotics from do not educate you on how to do it per your problem. I will do that. And also learning how that once a year you need to detox. So by detoxing once a year, you can help your entire system absorb and eliminate better. And if you need help with the aloe product that I have, that's a natural laxative. And if you're on acid reflux medication, you're only supposed to be on it for 14 days. And you can use my digestive enzymes in place of that. And my digestive enzymes are necessary for helping you if you don't have a gallbladder any longer. And also the new report showing that your appendix is there for a reason. It is the storage house of good bacteria. So come to my seminar every Saturday at 12 noon, and you can learn more of this information and ask me questions directly. You can also tune in to Facebook Live or Instagram Live. You can see the videos later of the seminar. You can hear the testimonials that'll be there from different people. It's a very exciting time to come and get knowledge so I can help you.
To find out more about Glenn Burkett products, visit 5413 Airport Pulling Road North in Naples, Florida, or go online and join our online community at www.glennburkett.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hello, I'm Glenn Burkett. Let's now talk further about my brochure to give you more good information about how to figure out what's going on with you as far as the root cause of your issues, and not just responding by taking a medication or a vitamin that's recommended. You know, you really need to know why you're doing what you're doing. So these are going to be the symptoms of hypoglycemia: low energy, difficulty concentrating, irritability, anxiety, depression, headaches, nervous habits, don't sleep well, lose temper easily, night sweats, weakness in the legs, nausea, heart palpitations, lightheadedness, blurred vision. You like to eat sweets and starches, you crave them, you have a weight problem. And understand what's going on here. I've had so many people, as far as seniors all the way down to a girl 14 years old, where they're wearing a heart monitor for heart palpitations and thinking they have cardiovascular issues from the cardiologist, and they actually have hypoglycemia, because if you ask them what they're eating, they're not eating. You don't eat, your body is going to bottom out blood sugar wise, and you're going to have these symptoms. How do you resolve this? You eat. You have to understand you must be eating and nourishing your body throughout the day. Not a diet, it's a nutritional food plan to be healthy. And then when these symptoms go away, we're all happy, okay? So understand you can be in control of a lot of this, and I help you learn how the body's working. If you go medical, you're more likely going to end up on a medication. So it's your choice, your body. Now let's go further on this brochure. Feel tired, you get chilled easily, easy weight gain, painful periods, fertility problems, muscle cramps, dry scaly skin, hair loss including eyebrows, recurring infections, constipation, depression, difficulty concentrating. Those are low thyroid issues. So, thyroid nourishment is what I would recommend for hypothyroidism. If you're doing the medication, that's your choice, but understand the medication can cause osteoporosis. And a lot of times the people who are on the medication still have the symptoms, so it's not being resolved. Now, does a blood test and T3, T4, and TSH look normal? Yes, but you still have the symptoms. So what I'm after doing is helping these symptoms from candida to low blood sugar to hypothyroidism go away so you have health and wellness. That's what I can do for you if you'll let me educate you. Hello, I'm Glenn Burkett, your Fox 4 TV health and wellness expert. inviting you to come join me every Saturday at 12 noon at my store, or you can join me live on Facebook or Instagram, or watch the videos later. So you can come and ask any questions regarding nutrition, your health, the medications, exercise, beauty, fitness, any health issues you want to ask. Bring your friends and family. You can also ask the questions via the live Facebook and live Instagram. So that's the new technology that's taking place. So join me every Saturday at 12 noon. We'll be having a drawing too, so you can get a free product of your choice of any of Glenn Burkett's products. And it's going to be at my store. You'll see the address down below. So come join me. I look forward to seeing you to gain your trust. Now let's talk about your heart and cardiovascular system, inclusive of your brain, liver, kidney, all your organs involved with having good health. Understand that you have to nourish your body to be in good health. So whatever age you are, don't accept that you have issues because you inherited them. Check out your lifestyle. Let me talk to you about your lifestyle, about what you're eating, about your exercise program, about your vitamins, and let's figure out if that's the solution of your root cause of your problems. Now, it's about taking a very good multiple vitamin. This is called My Heart and Body. 84 ingredients, 42 fruits and vegetables. So this is a complete, fabulous multiple vitamin. And the reports I've gotten too of it helping reverse blockages in the carotid arteries that I have documented. So I'm not going to make claims just to sell you something or to get myself in trouble. I have documentation on that, where my mother had 60% blockage in her right carotid artery in 1996. And by 1998, there was no blockage. She was retested in 2017. I have the documentation. At that point being 92 years old, no, 93, and still no blockage. And she'll be 94 in February, still driving, living on her own, and she does what she wants to do in good health. So that's the heart and body. Now, in combination, what you can do if you have cardiovascular issues, this again, I said, was a multiple vitamin. The heart and cardio is being more specific in dealing with triglycerides, cholesterol, and C-reactive protein. So these can be used together, the heart and body and the heart and cardio, which I personally do. The other thing you want to make sure you're doing is a good quality calcium product. Hey, we can go to any health food store, any drugstore, and find calcium. But it's about you learning what I have done, combining 38 ingredients into my calcium. So the calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin D3, K2, turmeric, glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, boswellia, all of this is in this combination. You're not going to find this anywhere else. So this is what I would use for blood pressure issues, osteopenia, osteoporosis, restless leg cramps, headaches, backaches. So you can realize for yourself what this can do for you, and also helps with sleep. So that's my calcium product with 38 ingredients. And remember, we're talking about heart and cardiovascular issues here. So that's circulation, all the way from your brain to your feet. Now, most of you understand that we need omega-3, but what kind of choice are you making? If it says just fish oil on the front, you want to turn to the back and see what are the ingredients. And if you start seeing anchovies, sardines, and mackerel, you have a chance of taking some mercury with your omega-3. And that's just like leftover fish at the fish house to make omega-3. I only sell krill oil and only use krill oil. So that's up to you. And you always want to take krill and CoQ10 together, because the krill will boost the potency of the CoQ10 by 30%. Also, the front of the bottle is the cell, the back of the bottle is where the truth is. You always want ubiquinol, OL, of the form of CoQ10, not ONE. And I also have the product called Brain Nourishment. So these products are rebought over and over again, so that's proof to me they're working. So that's how I keep taking the products and why people keep coming to me for over 20 years buying my products. So your results will help me gain your trust.
To find out more about Glen Burkett products, visit 5413 Airport Pulling Road North in Naples, Florida, or go online and join our online community at www.glenburkett.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Now we're going to talk about my Keto Slim Shake. It has been such a popular product. People love the taste of it. They love the results they're getting from it. The keto means that there's coconut oil powder in the shake along with the protein and the collagen. So this is helping you with your muscles, your tendons, your ligaments, your cartilage, and also your skin by having the collagen combined with it. And as you can see here, I have a mixture I've already done for me that I do every morning because I put my Keto Slim Shake mixed with coffee because caffeine is a natural good stimulant before you work out. So I have a shake before my workout and a shake after my workout. So this is my Keto Slim Shake. So, and every Saturday at the free health and wellness seminar, we'll be having a drawing for a free product, and you can choose any of the products that I have and let me know how they all work for you, because that's how I get your trust, is by results.
Have you ever considered a natural option to prescription drugs? Join Glen Burkett at his store in Naples, Florida every Saturday at noon for a health and wellness seminar and explore your natural options to prescription drugs. Can't make the seminar? Then join the conversation by following Glen Burkett on Facebook and Instagram or visit www.glenburkett.com.
Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. I'm talking to you men now, but women, if you're there, please listen to help him understand what I'm trying to say. You can do things naturally to help yourself intimately, sexually. And also understand that with testosterone decreasing doesn't mean you just have to accept it with age. You can do something about it. And the pituitary gland is involved with that taking place. And so when you exercise, the pituitary gland produces more HGH. And then when you take a product like I have here, it helps you boost your testosterone. And that's why I've called it Man Up. So understand you can do things to help yourself. Now, the other product I have is called Male Enhancement. And what this is all about is helping you have more of the want to. So you can use these together. You can see what one works for you, or you can try them both together and see what works for you. A lot of men do that, and they keep buying it. So when people keep buying my products, that's giving me the assurance that they're getting the results. So that's how I gain their trust. Hello, I'm Glen Burkett, your Fox 4 TV health and wellness expert, inviting you to come join me every Saturday at 12 noon at my store, or you can join me live on Facebook or Instagram, or watch the videos later. So you can come and ask any questions regarding nutrition, your health, the medications, exercise, beauty, fitness, any health issues you want to ask. Bring your friends and family. You can also ask the questions via the live Facebook and live Instagram. So that's the new technology that's taking place. So join me every Saturday at 12 noon. We'll be having a drawing too, so you can get a free product of your choice of any of Glen Burkett's products. And it's going to be at my store. You'll see the address down below. So come join me. I look forward to seeing you to gain your trust. Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Weight loss products come and go. And what I'm after is having products that get results for you and also cause you to have good results and not cause harm. So this is a product called Overnight. It has no stimulant in it because that's why you take it at night. But when you take L-arginine, that helps the pituitary gland, help the muscles to burn up more energy. So therefore, that's how you lose fat. Of course, you've got to eat a good nutritional plan like I have lined up for you. But this is a product called Overnight that you can see for yourself. And it also helps you not have those aches and pains the next morning. So it's a fabulous product because if you don't have the aches and pains, you're going to go ahead and go do that exercise again. Okay? So give it a try. It's called Overnight.
To find out more about Glen Burkett products, visit 5413 Airport Pulling Road North in Naples, Florida, or go online and join our online community at www.glenburkett.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. I have another great example of the success that you can have with my silver. What you see on the screen now is a beautiful woman, but horrible looking feet. And she is under dermatology care. So that is a very fungal foot, actually both feet, and her hands as well. And she's working in home care and putting gloves over that. So it's things I see on a daily basis is just sometimes overwhelming. But the point I'm making here is what the silver can do if you have the belief and trust in trying it out to see what it can do for viruses, bacteria, and fungi. All right? And the fungi is the same thing as yeast and candida. So understand those different things. Thrush is candida, athlete's foot is candida, jock itch is candida. So the silver can be used anywhere externally on the body and also internally. And also you can use it for problems like Crohn's disease and Lyme disease. But here we're talking about this woman's foot, where she put it on her foot and spread it with coconut oil, and she also took the silver internally. So the silver is what got her from the before pictures you see and then the after pictures of her feet and her hands. And it's going to work every time because that's what I always get. It's 100% success rate with the silver because it's going after the root problem and helping the body heal itself and build the immune system. So try the silver and you will see for yourself, and by your results, you gain trust in me.
Have you ever considered a natural option to prescription drugs? Join Glen Burkett at his store in Naples, Florida every Saturday at noon for a health and wellness seminar and explore your natural options to prescription drugs. Can't make the seminar? Then join the conversation by following Glen Burkett on Facebook and Instagram or visit www.glenburkett.com.
Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Now let's talk about how I'm involved and also with your beauty and health. And this is my hair, skin, and nail product. And so you'll understand that by nourishing your body, your nails, your skin, your hair, you'll have the quality that you're after. You'll tell by the way your nails grow, your hair grows, the glow in your skin. You know, when I have over 20 ingredients, including the biotin in my skin, hair, nails. And that's why it all synergistically works together. A lot of you already know about biotin and by itself, which is, I'm glad you're trying to do something natural, but I go above having just biotin and having all these other nutrients in there to get you the results. Because at the same time you're trying to have healthy skin, hair, and nails, it's also nourishing your body to be healthy as well. So try my product called Hair, Skin, and Nails. Hello, I'm Glen Burkett, your Fox 4 TV health and wellness expert, inviting you to come join me every Saturday at 12 noon at my store, or you can join me live on Facebook or Instagram, or watch the videos later. So you can come and ask any questions regarding nutrition, your health, the medications, exercise, beauty, fitness, any health issues you want to ask, bring your friends and family. You can also ask the questions via the live Facebook and live Instagram. So that's the new technology that's taking place. So join me every Saturday at 12 noon. We'll be having a drawing too, so you can get a free product of your choice of any of Glen Burkett's products. And it's going to be at my store. You'll see the address down below. So come join me. I look forward to seeing you to gain your trust. Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Of course, this morning I had my Keto Slim Shake, and I mixed it with some yogurt, and I sprinkled in some pecans. I loved it. It was fantastic. After that, I had my shake mixed in with my cashew milk, that I prefer cashew milk. Shook it up really good, went off for my workout, and on my way to the workout, I got some coffee to make another shake with, because I mixed my shake with coffee and also all the tree nut milks and the grass-fed milk whole milk that you saw me talk about. So understand that the Keto Slim Shake, I also have recipes of where you can make cookies, pancakes, waffles, ice cream, snack bars. So by using this Keto Slim Shake, you're getting wonderful collagen and protein along with sweetened by stevia. So it's a fabulous product, and I got all you want.
To find out more about Glen Burkett products, visit 5413 Airport Pulling Road North in Naples, Florida, or go online and join our online community at www.glenburkett.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Now let's talk about your muscle and joints. So that's where a lot of people have inflammation, they hurt. You can hear them when they get up out of the chair, they're grunting. So you don't have to. You just got to learn how to nourish your body not to have those issues. So this is my muscle and joint product. It helps the back. It helps I have people who have issues with their knees, their hips, and understand that it's about taking a product, and if it doesn't get the results for you, don't buy it anymore. But until you take it, you're not going to know whether it does that for you. I can tell you, I take it every day and I get the results from it. I'm in the gym almost every day, and I'm using those muscles because if you don't use it, you lose it. And I also do a lot of walking, riding my bike. I stay active for almost being 70 years old. And that's what you want to be too. So don't be around a bunch of people talking about, oh, my next doctor's appointment and the newest fad diet and eating. Learn how to really be responsible and nourish your body to be healthy, because you can learn how to do that. So this is my muscle, back, and joint product. Can really, really help your quality of life. Hello, I'm Glen Burkett. Yes, you can nourish your eyes. I have an eye nourishment product. Understand that what problems are you going to have? Is it going to be near vision, far vision, macular degeneration, diabetic neuropathy? What are you going to do to prevent that or try to reverse it and not just, oh, well, I'm just supposed to have it? So what would it hurt for you to try to do something natural for your eyes and see the response from that? And believe me, I take it because I get a response. I could be telling you all these things and then not take them. But I'm not going to do that because I want quality of life. And when the next birthday comes around, I started to give you the month, but then that would date the show. When the next birthday comes around, I'm 69. So yeah, I've been on Medicare now for over 3 years, and the only time I've used it is for chiropractic adjustments, because I know how to be healthy, and I understand wellness, and I want to teach that to you as well. So come to my health and wellness seminars every Saturday at noon. They're free, and I'll help educate you and your family.
To find out more about Glen Burkett products, visit 5413 Airport Pulling Road North in Naples, Florida, or go online and join our online community at www.glenburkett.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.